Looking for custom water filter system design and installation in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know that clean, safe water is essential for your home. Whether you're dealing with hard water, unpleasant tastes, or contaminants, our expertly installed filtration systems provide long-lasting solutions for your water quality needs. Our custom water filtration systems are designed to tackle Sherwood Park's unique water challenges, ensuring pure, great-tasting water for drinking, cooking, and bathing. With professional installation and local expertise, we guarantee a seamless, efficient process tailored to your home's specific requirements. At Kingstree Plumbing, we take pride in delivering affordable, high-quality water filter solutions backed by trusted service and expert craftsmanship. Ready to improve your home's water quality? Call Kingstree Plumbing today or book online to schedule your custom water filter system installation in Sherwood Park.